Man, y'all gotta be careful out here. Boy, there's a lot of people out here. Skimming and scamming and skimming and skimming. They almost got you, boy. Tell you what I mean when I get right back. Run that intro.
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, KinggEATEAT.
Yeah, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT. You know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, I got Subway. Where the Ooh. I don't know where my ring is, y'all. Uh-oh. This not gonna be good. Ooh. Boy, QueenEATEAT found out and lost their ring. Boy, she gonna click. What the? And don't be talking about my thin spot either. Y'all see, y'all know the vibes. Don't talk about my thin spot. If any one of y'all checking me and not in a good way, your mama. How about that? Hold on, y'all. I'm having a real moment right now. Where's my... Wee. Oh, man. Y'all don't know what my ring is. Found some chips, though. Anyway, today might be my last mukbang, y'all. If I don't find that ring. I got Subway, y'all. They got a new bowl out. So, I said I was gonna try. I can't believe I lost my ring, y'all. For real, for real. Bam, there we go. I ain't got no thumb neither. Y'all been in the Subway, y'all know how it look. The bowl, though. This is my first time having this bowl, y'all. Let me see. Hold on, hold what you got. Thumbnail. Nah, I probably should have got the gas can, huh, y'all? All right, I got you. Thumbnail. Let me get a thumb neezy. All right, I'm gonna try this bowl first. I ain't never had this bowl. This is something new they got. Got lettuce, tomatoes. Y'all know I got everything in mine. Y'all already know. But this, don't look that bad, do it? Got the meat all up in that thing. Tomatoes. I like everything in mine, y'all. Y'all already know it's just how I get down. Let me see, though. Let me see. That bowl ain't bad. Mix it all up a little more. There's some big old pieces of chicken, too. Y'all. Man, y'all gotta be careful out here. Boy, we just got the little stimuli, boy, and they trying to take it from her. So, y'all know me. I'm always on alert, right? Well, I know there's a lot of crooks and criminals out here. They're out here in these streets, right? So bam, my phone ring. No. So wait. You get out by yet. What? That bowl, ah. How would I do you? That bowl, ah. And it's some slight light. You know what I'm talking about? I know where my ring is, y'all. I washed my hands before I came in here. I always take my ring off. I don't like when the soap get up in it. I left it in the bathroom. Boy, I was nervous, boy. I'm telling you. Boy. QueenEATEAT don't kick that spit out there real. You know, kill me, y'all. So anyway, y'all. I'm glad I anyway. So I get a phone call. First red flag for me. It was an automated, like a recording, right? It said something about it's an urgent message. Can you speak with me, right? They found some criminal activity surrounding my bank account. Now, I'm gonna tell you what made me say, scam? No scam. Because the last couple of weeks, I've been having some problems with my credit card. Somebody been trying to spend $4,000, $8,000, $16,000, but it wasn't me. So, with my bank, probably with every bank, I don't know, but if you try to take out a big amount that you don't normally take out on a regular basis, they're gonna shut it down. You ain't gonna be able to get it, right? So, this happened twice. So they had to cancel my credit card 2 times, right? My bank card, twice. Within like 2 weeks, right? No, I'm like, okay, let me see what's going on. So they were like, push 1 to speak with a detective, right? This was my second red flag, y'all. I don't got no harm against nobody. I love everybody the same. But when he got on that phone and said, Hello, Mr. Kick. So this, the police department. I said, nah, I ain't got nothing against nobody. But this nigga here had to be Arabic or Iranian or something. I ain't never heard no police officer talk like that. Now they had it down back now. You hearing the phone ring? I was in such and such in the background talking. I said, boy, all they missing is the theme music. They had it. So I said, somebody called me and said that there was some suspicious activity around my bank account, right? I just said, do you know who called you? I'm like, oh no.
I should have got you.
This can't be right. I said, no, I don't know who called me.
So I did good on the boat.
I did both. That thing hitting hard.
I had to make it.
Oh, you had to tell him what I ought to put in it.
Yeah, I was like, I thought the boat already was made. He said, no, you gotta make it.
Man, look, all right. Huh? Yeah, I got the hoodie on still. So, he asked me my name and all that. I almost gave him my real name, right? But this was strike 3. I gave him a fake name. And I can hear a little butt. He looking up in the computer. He found me with a fake name. And at this point, I'm like, okay, this is a scam. But since I'm already on the phone with him, I might well play with him a little bit. I'm bored. I'm sitting watching TV. I ain't got nothing to do.
I got the food.
So guess what I'm finna do? I'm finna mess with you. So, officer such and such is the one who called you. Let me transfer you over. I'm like, please do, sir.
Cause I don't want to go to jail.
This nigga on the phone talking about if I don't pay whatever it was out my bank, this ninja, if I don't pay whatever the amount is that, excuse me, somebody took out my what's it called?
Transaction.
Whatever the transaction was that came through my bank account, if I didn't pay it, plus the fee, that I was gonna get a warrant put out for my arrest, right? That's what he said we got on the phone. And I'm acting like I'm scared, so I'm like, well, please, Mr. Officer, sir, what do I need to do? Cause I don't want to go to jail. I have mukbangs to do. So he told me, that I had to pay.
You feel like a deep freeze in this month.
Feel like deep freeze. Let me see that. Let me see that potato thing you got. Let me see it, babe. Y'all, my wife got a potato thing. I did a show on it once before.
Out of my size over there.
Let me see.
I don't want to look at it.
Let me see it. Oh, you just got a whole bunch of cheese on this. See, y'all, she don't eat. What it is? She got shrimp. She don't eat all the onions, tomato, but I'm gonna eat some of that. So that's why she got it on the side. No, anywho.
Did you notice the same sauce I put on there? Or did I put on the bowl?
Mm-hmm. So y'all.
It was teriyaki too.
It was.
Yeah. Let me shut up because you still talking.
He don't tell me. He don't tell me. No, I don't pay the amount plus the fees. They gonna put out a warrant for me that day. No, I told him. I have no idea who did these transactions. He was like, well, it's your account, so it look like you did it, so it's on you.
You said it like that?
Yeah.
That's how you know he was fake.
But you know, they were talking like that little Iranian voice, though.
Them people don't call it that be other kind of people.
Now, I have had warrants put out on me before.
Years ago,
The police ain't never called and told me that I'm finna have a warrant.
wait a minute, you said you
So they can give me a chance to run away.
How many ones you had put out on you?
Oh, you know the vibes. You had one put out on you too.
No, wait. That was false.
You know the vibes.
I ain't even been no jail.
You ain't go to jail.
Ooh, I was so scared.
You have one, baby.
Ooh, I was so scared. I ain't never been so scared in my life.
So y'all, I'm like, well, how much I got to pay with the fines and all that? So we're like $200 some dollars. Oh, $50 fine and some else. You tell me like 600 something. Oh, I'm getting arrested that day, right? Then what the problem came in at. He said, I said, well, how do I need to pay, sir? They either needed my bank card number, or they were gonna give me what call like a routing number or something, and send them the money, right? I went through playing with them, y'all. So I said, well, I just give y'all my bank information so I can go and get it over with. Babe, you been going to the kitchen?
I'm not. What do you want?
Okay, don't worry about it.
What do you want? Wait. Something to drink.
I left my ring in the bathroom.
I don't care. You should have left it there.
I had forgot it. I thought I had lost it. Now, anywho, oh, y'all, I feel naked without my ring on. Yes, sir, I'm back. So, y'all.
So get your eye for that. Take it out.
Well, I tell y'all, told y'all. I'm crazy.
It's going to be the black eye for me.
Anywho, so he told me, he said, I told him get my bank account. Well, he was like, they need the 16-digit card number from the card. I just made up 16 numbers. Then he said, he needs the expiration date and all that, and he needs the 3 numbers on the back. Gave him all that. He was like, it's not going through. I said, well, it worked because I just used it. He asked for it again. I told him I couldn't give it to him no more. He was like, well, why not? I heard my wife just went upstairs with the card. And she's not going to come back down no time soon. And he said, well, how about you just go up there and get the card? I said, well, sir, how about you just suck my dick? He said, excuse me? I said, how about you just suck my dick? He hung up the phone in my face. I called back. Guess what I heard?
I'm sorry, you don't reach the numbers. No longer service.
That's exactly what it said. That's exactly what it said. You reached the number that's no longer in service. I don't know who they tried to get your boy. They tried to get me, y'all. Not today. I need all my money for my stimulus check.
My stimulus check, y'all.
I need my stimulus check. No. I hope y'all are being safe. Looking out for each other. I hope everybody got the vaccine. You know y'all gotta be safe. And everybody needs to get the vaccine. So, QueenEATEAT already took the vaccine, y'all.
No, I didn't. He lied. I told you I'm be on OnlyFans.
Man, stop saying that, man.
What?
Stop saying that.
OnlyFans me.
Well,
So if y'all see me, get out my business. Don't get in my business. I'm just playing.
she ain't playing. She gonna put them feet on the fan for real. She thinks she got some pretty feet anyway. She had somebody trying to pay her to see her feet. I don't tell it.
You do too much. Why would you say my business?
He wanted to pimp her feet out.
He did. He told me he signed a contract and everything. I was like, wait a minute, baby. What?
I said, who is this? Nigga, how you gonna pimp my wife's feet out? I'm pimping them feet out if anybody pimp them out. Anybody pimp my feet out, it's gonna be me. You know? I'm just saying.
You ain't talking about none of these things like you.
Now, hold on now. Hold up.
I need my stimulus check.
No. Y'all gonna be getting right now. I try not to make my video no longer about 24, 25 minutes, 23 minutes, 26 minutes, 28 minutes. I got something going on, but I'm a fix it. Y'all can get a little longer videos out of me because I have to watch this clock. So, I'm gonna cut this video off. It's gonna be a little bit too long. But I love y'all so much. 4K on the way, baby. On the road to 100,000. We're gonna get 100,000 this year, y'all. Y'all gonna help me do it. We out here. We ain't going nowhere. I love y'all. I'm gonna eat out there. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.
King